Hello, lovely people. I welcome you again to our lesson, and this is lesson 5. And in this lesson, we're going to learn how to insert images or pictures to our presentation. Now, let's first of all learn how to insert images from our files or from our system or from our computer. So, let's open a blank document here. Let's try to insert at least 2 or 3 slides here. So if you don't know how to insert slides, you can watch our first lesson, probably the second lesson. You get more knowledge on how to insert the slides and how to open a blank document. Now, to insert an image into a text, first of all, you need to make sure your insert tab. This is the insert tab. Make sure it is selected. Make sure the insert tab is selected here. Then, okay, let me do something here. Okay, so make sure your insert tab is selected. Then you go to picture. Under the images group, you go to picture. You click on the picture. A dialog box will appear, commanding you or indicating what kind of file or what file you want to insert or what file you want to place on your document. So let's say I want to, my file is at this side. Let me move to this side. Where did I put my lesson? Okay, I think it's here. Okay, let's say I want to select one of these. I want it to be loaded. Okay, let me go down here. Let me select this lady here. Okay, so this is the lady I want to select. So you just double click on it to select it, or you can just let me go back. Let's go to insert, then go to pictures. Then to send it to your documents where your picture is, you navigate to the picture I want to insert. Then you just click on it. You click on insert, or you can just double click on it. Then the picture will be placed on your document. So you just move it to where you want to place it. You can adjust the sizes, reduce it, enlarge it to any size that you want. You paste it nicely to your document. So that's one way of inserting a picture. Also, we can also have another way of inserting a picture into our document or into our presentation. Okay, let's go to the second slide. So that the second slide here is having some thumbnails. So the thumbnails you can select from there. You can use the picture thumbnail to select the picture. So we have this is the picture thumbnail. Make sure it's selected here. So if you don't know how to select this kind of placeholders, you can watch our previous videos. So you can select any of the picture here. Okay, let me select this guy here. Then click on insert. That one too can insert your picture in your document. So that is one way or two different ways of inserting pictures into our document. Now, so you can just enlarge it. You can just resize it inside that you want. So let's continue. The next thing we're going to do is how to insert a screenshot. Let's say you have taken a screenshot of your screen. There's a picture you want people to see your screen, so you take a screenshot of it. So you want to insert it. You can use that. You can do that in PowerPoint presentation. So let's go to insert. Then you have the screenshot here. Just click on it. So these are the available screenshots of my computer, my system. These are the screenshots that I've already taken on my system. So you can select it here. Or if you click on, oh yes, that is it. So you just select one of them. Let's say this one. Okay, then see that just resize it to the side that you want. Then just place it. So if you are doing a presentation and you want people to see your screen, you can just take a screenshot of your screen and add it to your work. That would be nice doing that. Okay, so you can also take capture the screen whilst you are you are designing your work. You also have another way. So let's go to insert again. Then click on the screenshot. So under the screenshot, you see we have an option here, screen clipping. You can use the screen clipping also to insert something. So let's click on screen clipping. So when you click on screen clipping, you see that your screen will be blurred. Then where you want to take the screenshot, you just click and drag over that area. You see, I want this area to be selected. Just click over it and release. The moment you release it, you see that place is selected. Then you can just add that to your document. You can just resize it and place it where you want it to be nicely. That is another way of taking screenshot, adding a screenshot picture to your document. Okay, now we're done with the resizing. Like the resizing, you can use the anchor points here to resize. You can also use this arrow here to rotate it. You can use to rotate it. That is it. So use that to do that. Okay, so now let's learn how to move an image the same way as we did the test. How to move the test. So if you want to move this image, you can just make sure you place your mouse at the edge of the selected area, then you drag it. Just click and drag it. It will move to where you want the image to be. Okay, so this is the simple and the easiest way of adding images. So I want you to practice more. Use the steps, follow the steps, and practice more. In the long run, you'll be perfect in your work. Okay, so I'll end here, and I hope to see you in the next video. And please, you can comment your question, comment your recommendations at the comment section. Try to subscribe and hit the notification button so that in our next video you get access to it easily. God bless you all, and hope to see you again. Bye for now.